Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. In today's episode, we are reviewing one of the best AI agent workflow automation tool which is called n8n. Let's get started. So what exactly is n8n? It's a workflow automation platform which is designed to connect apps, APIs and services into automated workflows. It's pronounced as n8n, which offers a node based visual editor. Each node represents a trigger, an event, or an action in a workflow. It supports both cloud deployment as well as self hosted for enterprises. It's not just no code automation, but it actually offers nodes for writing advanced logic and integrations. It's positioned as an open source slash fair code alternative to other automation stacks, emphasizing on flexibility, data control, and extensibility. What are some of the key features of n8n? It has a powerful visual workflow builder, which means you can easily drag and drop interface, allowing you to create multiple steps of automation connecting various services, APIs, and apps. It already has a large integration library which supports native connectors for Google Sheets, Slack, Notion APIs. Plus, you can also have your custom code in each one of these nodes. Each node triggers a flexible conditional logic or a trigger which can be connected via cron job, events, etc. It has extensive code extensibility, which means you can embed your own JavaScript or Python inside nodes. It's self-hosted and cloud deployed options as well. You can also use it as an observability and data control for logging and node level tracing, encrypted credentials, strong data sovereignty emphasis. What are some of the popular use cases of n8n? It is heavily used in terms of syncing leads, CRM data, spreadsheets, marketing platforms. So basically, whenever you want to do a data synchronization, you can use the n8n tool. It's event driven automation, which means each node triggers a workflow on events like form submission, payment failure, Slack messages, etc. It has AI enhanced workflows, which means you can integrate large learning language models or other AI services into the pipelines directly. You can also use it for business process automation like finance invoice handling, reading your tax documents, supporting ticket workflows, e commerce ordering, and much more. What are some of the benefits of n8n and why you should use it? What is the business function and business problems that it's trying to solve? It can really automate a lot of repetitive tasks in business as well as for personal productivity. It is highly flexible and customizable, which means you can go just beyond the drag and drop and add your custom code, non supports for both simple and complex workflows. It's cost effective and data control. That means you can choose to host it yourself, avoiding higher cost. It's faster operations and fewer errors. That means automated routing, logic flow triggers reduce the manual mistakes. It has an extensive and strong community with so many pre built templates and custom nodes that you can start using it right away. So, if you are trying to solve a business problem or trying to automate your workflows, the website you will go is n8n.io. Overall, the rating of this particular AI workflow automation tool on our tutorials is 4.7 out of 5. That's an excellent rating for this automation tool. This is a website n8n.io. You can see flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. You can automate a hell lot of things into it, but I will show you the most popular one, which is the integration. Here, you can integrate any popular tool that you already use, right from MySQL to Discord to OpenAI to Slack, Gmail. You can create triggers and custom events for all these apps right inside n8n, which is extremely powerful. So there are a lot of business workflows, automations, tasks that can be easily automated using n8n. Talking about the pricing, if you see, if you are a basic one starts at $20 and then keeps on adding based on your usage. But you can always do a free trial, explore it, and then based on your requirements, you can choose the particular plan. It is extremely powerful. You can build literally any workflow inside this tool. So do give it a shot. Let me know what you think about this tool. It's a pretty awesome tool, I can say that. So thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.